Hello friends, today we will show you one very useful but not that pricey accessory that is needed for your any bikes, that is especially for me it is Electro C8. For you it can be any bike, but this is very useful. And this is this mobile holder. You can see that my mobile is attached here. So see, this is the holder right now fitted. So I will first dismantle it and show you that how this works. This my mobile coming out of this. So see, it has many buttons here, not buttons actually, screws. So see, you can fit it like this. This is very easy to fit. You will get it like this. I am today dismounting this after a long time. So you will get this kind of, so this is how this looks. And so see, this is the mobile holder. This is the base screw that will tighten it with the handlebar. This you have to put something like this here so that it tightens. You will get it with that. And then this is one screw here that makes it movable. You can adjust the angle. Okay, once you have adjusted that, you just need to tighten it up properly. Once this is totally tightened, it will be very sturdy. It won't move. In one of my videos this holder was moving, so one subscriber who was careful enough to observe this, he asked me that is it not sturdy or something. So this video is basically I'm trying to help him out, because he is also willing to buy something like this. So see, now I am fixing this here. So we need to tighten this screw. This screw you should tighten as much as you can so that it stays in place. So now this is tightened. So you can simply see that this is the angle change. So suppose that I want to keep this on this angle, or just say flat like this, I can simply tighten this out and you will tighten it at your desired angle, and this is done. Now I will take the mobile and mount it here. So this is a bigger turn here, bigger screw. You turn it and the entire these clasps will open up. So I will take the mobile like this, keep it here. Now first tighten the bigger clasp. That screw is done. So this is the first fail safe, and then this is the second fail safe. You tighten both these screws, and then now you see that your mobile is very sturdily holding. So you have to find a suitable place at your handlebar where it takes a rather parallel kind of grip, so that the grip is not loosened, and then it's done. So this is simple. I purchased this from Amazon. I will put the link there in description. Until now this has served me well. A lot of videos that you have seen that has been made using this. So, and especially one that is for Hero Electro Smart app. So thank you, and let me know what else you want to know.